Hello everyone, and welcome to the Ardleigh Green Learning Federation Remembrance Assembly. My name's Mr Linham and I'm your music teacher, and normally I would be encouraging us all to sing loudly in the hall to remember the great sacrifice that soldiers have made since World War I, World War II and the other wars. However, this year, because of the coronavirus pandemic, we're not able to all gather together in one place, and we're certainly not able to sing. Therefore, I've made you this video which hopefully will allow us to still all be together even though we're apart and at a distance. Back in 2018, it was really important that we found a way to respond to Remembrance Day as a school by using music. My song We Will Remember that I wrote for that 2018 Remembrance Day is a really special song to me, because not only does it help me and to help you to remember all of the soldiers who lost their lives in all of the wars, but actually is a moment for us to stop and be grateful for everything we've got in our lives. This year, it's been really hard to remain thankful and grateful when we're in a time when we might be a bit afraid or a bit scared, but actually taking a moment to just reflect and stop and think and listen is a really, really important thing that we can all do together now. So, as this video continues, you're going to hear the last post played. It's usually played at 11 o'clock on the 11th of November, on the 11th of the 11th of the 11th. When you listen to this piece of music, not only do I want you to remember all of the great sacrifices that soldiers made in all of the wars, but I also want you to think about the sacrifices that we've all made this year. That could be the sacrifices that nurses and doctors have made to keep us safe in the hospitals, or the sacrifices that other key workers have made, whether it's our Amazon delivery driver delivering us many a parcel, or if it's someone delivering us food, or if it's your teachers who have still been in school the whole way through the pandemic. I think it's really important that we take a moment to stop and reflect. And this is a really great opportunity to be thankful and to be grateful for all the positive things that we can find in our lives. After you've listened to the last post, you'll then get to sit and listen and reflect upon the words of our song as sung by the students in 2018. I really hope you enjoy listening to that song and reflecting on what it means not only to be a member of the Ardleigh Green family, but also to take a moment to reflect and be grateful and thankful. Enjoy.
again. At the going down of the sun and in the morning.